ma'am, I just want to know if I will get the job.
Congratulations! You are hired.
Thank you, ma'am!
Ako ang nagwagi!
Ay, panaginip lang pala. Kuya, baka pwede mo naman akong tulungan maghanap ng trabaho?
Ay, Iha, walang bakante ngayon sa opisina namin. Pero kung gusto mo, I can share you something na sigurado akong makakatulong sa'yo.
Ano po yun? Anting-anting?
Hindi, pero mas mabisa pa ito sa mga anting-anting. Panoorin mo to.
Three special steps, that's all you need. Three special steps, and you'll succeed. Your special assignment is starting now. And three special steps will show you how.
Aside from the tactical skills that you learn from school and trainings, you need 3 behavioral skills. First, initiative. Go beyond the minimum requirement. Take extracurricular activities and participate in community works. Second, communication skills. You should possess the ability to confidently express your ideas, both oral and written. You should master the English language through reading and conversing with others. Third, critical thinking. Learn how to solve problems in an orderly manner. Identify all possible solutions when you are faced with a problem and pick the best answer.
3 special steps, so now you know. 3 special steps and you're ready to go. The checklist has all the steps you need. Just follow them all and you will succeed with 3 special steps.
Oh, punta ka paghanap ng trabaho ah.
Thank you po.
Ingat.
Kuya, may trabaho na po ako. Salamat po sa payo niyo.
Sabi ko na sa'yo eh.
Kaya bilang pagkasalamat, eto, bibigyan ko kanta ng kotse.
Ako ang nagwagi!
Sus, panaginip lang pala. Hello? Oh, Vida, good morning. Wow, may trabaho ka na? Sabi ko na sa'yo eh. Initiative, communication skills, at critical thinking lang ang susi dyan. Oh, speaking of susi, may kotse ka na ba?